Hello, my lovely crafters and creative friends. Welcome back to my cozy crafting world where handmade dreams come to life. Today, I am going to share something truly beautiful, colorful, and heart touching pom-poms creations. Pom-poms are small, fluffy, and filled with joy. Yet they bring such a big difference to your decoration, whether you are creating for Xmas, your home, or your personal crafts collection. These tiny balls of happiness can transform your mood, your space, and your spirit. So take your yarn, a bit of love, and your favorite colors, glue, and let's begin this beautiful journey into the art of pom-pom crafting. Pom-poms are tiny balls made from yarn, wool, or fabric strips. They can be small like buttons or big like fluffy snowballs. You can make them by hands or use a pom-pom maker. Just wrap the yarn around a fork, tie it tightly, and trim it into a perfect round shape. And there you go, a beautiful handmade pom-pom ready to brighten your world. What makes them special is how simple they are, yet how magical they look. Every color combination brings a new feelings. Red and green for Xmas, pink and white for baby decor, or yellow and blue for summer vibes. It's a craft that always keeps your imagination alive. Pom-poms are not just decorations, they are expressions of happiness. Each fluffy ball adds warmth, softness, and playful charm to your crafts. They are perfect for home decor, fashion, gifts, and festival. You can attach pom-poms to gift boxes, hang them on your Xmas tree, or use them as curtain ties, rugs, or wall garlands. A bunch of colorful pom-poms can turn any corner into a cheerful, cozy spot. And the joy and there and doesn't end there. And the joy doesn't end there. When you make pom-poms, you feel a calm rhythm in your hands. The wrapping, cutting, and shaping become like a form of meditation. You start feeling peaceful, creative, and connected to your inner artist. Let's talk about what you can create with pom-poms, pom-pom garlands, pom-pom keychains, pom-pom cushions and rugs, pom-pom jewelry. So first of all, let's talk about string them together for garland for walls, windows, or party decor. You can mix colors like red, white, and green for Xmas, for pastels for springs. Attach them to your bags or key for a cute handmade touch. You can even sell them as small craft gifts online or in local markets. Glue or stitch them on cushions or make a soft rug. They look cozy, feel fluffy, and give your room a handmade luxury look. Earrings, necklaces, or bracelets with mini pom-poms are trendy and fun. It's a light and colorful accessory that suits all ages. Use metallic yarn and golden thread. Make sparkling snowball ornaments. They will make your Xmas tree shine with your handmade love. Each of these creations tell the story, your creativity, your imagination, and your joy of making. Now let's talk about wonderful of crafting pom-poms. Crafting is not just about making things. It's about feeling peace inside when you sit down with yarn in your hands. You enter a calm, creative space. Your mind relaxes, your heart slows down, and you're focused only on beauty. Making pom-poms improves your hand coordination and concentration. It's great for kids' development too. They learn patience, color sense, and creativity. It helps adults release stress, anxiety, and even loneliness. Crafting also boosts self-esteem because when you finish something handmade, it brings pride and happiness that no store-bought them can replace. Pom-Pom's crafting is perfect for family bonding time. You can gather your children or loved ones or on a Sunday afternoon, play some music and start wrapping colorful yarn together. Each person chooses their favorite color. One makes tiny pom-poms, another trims them, another strings them into garland. It's fun, simple and so satisfying.